Hey guys, imagine you making extra $1,000, $5,000 every single month creating simple ebooks. Now, you have no idea how simple these ebooks are to make, but you can make thousands of dollars making ebooks like this simple ebook. Now, I'm going to show you guys on my computer how much $1 to Naira is, because it's going to blow your mind. And of course, if you guys stay to the end of this video, I'll be revealing 3 softwares that will make you to create these ebooks in less than 2 minutes. Fact. Free tools to help you create these ebooks in less than 2 minutes. So you guys should stay to the end of this video. Now leave a comment right there, ebook money, because this would blow your mind for sure. This will certainly blow your mind. So let's go on my computer and let me show you guys how much is an exchange rate and how we could get started with this business. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video. Basically what you're seeing on my screen is the current exchange rate to dollar from the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀, right? This is the black market rate of dollar right now. So it's over 780. So you could just approximately say it's 80. You could say it's 800 Naira, right? Now, currently, what you're looking at is someone who used this business model to make over $4,500. Now, let's do a numbers game. Let's do a maths, right? Let's calculate this amount of money, right? So let's go ahead and just put in 800 Naira times over $5,000 approximately, right? This is over 4 million Naira, right? 4 million Naira someone made in one single month doing this business model, right? Now, the name of the business model is Amazon KDP, which is, of course, the site you're looking at right now. And like I told you guys, I'm going to be revealing extra ways for you to create low content ebooks like this absolutely for free. I'm going to show you guys from start to finish on how to get started with this. Now, once you go on the site amazonkdp.com, this is how it's going to look like, right? Now, if it's your very first time, you can literally go here and of course sign up for an Amazon account, right? You can come right here, you can sign up for an Amazon account 100% free, right? Once you do this, you just go down to the bottom and create your KDP account, right? It's super simple. You fill in your first name, you fill in your email, you fill in your and then of course you go ahead and you create your Amazon account, right? Once you've created your Amazon account, you can literally come and sign in. So the whole process is straightforward. And of course, if you guys want me to go from start to finish, I want you guys to, of course, leave in the description so I know that you guys are following this video. I want you guys to leave in the comments. Please, Kennedy, start Amazon KDP business live and show us in a video. And I would love to show you guys exactly how to make that happen for you guys. Now, I'm going to show you the step 2 once you have already had your account, which, of course, I've created my account before this video. So the account is literally here. And I'm going to show you guys exactly the entire process of starting your ebook business and making that yours. Okay, now the very next step is to go ahead and research the kind of ebook you're going to be posting. And for me, I'm going to go ahead, right? I'm going to go ahead and go to Amazon Kindle, right? Simply go on Google and search for Amazon Kindle. Right now, we're going to be researching what kind of ebook we're going to be putting out there for us to start selling. Right now, once we go up here, we are in Amazon Kindle store. We're going to go ahead and look for what is top selling, right? Now, one of the easiest ways to know the kind of books that are selling is to look at the reviews. Now, the higher reviews of this book, the more you know that people are actually reading this type of books. Now, looking here, you're going to see that people are buying bread books a lot. This, of course, is over 11,000, right? Over 11,000 people are buying book on creating bread, right? Bread cookbook. So now here's how we go ahead and do this, because this will blow you guys' mind for sure, certainly. So the very first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go and search for, bread recipes. Okay, now once you go ahead, you look for bread recipes, you're going to see a lot of them here on Google. Now let me blow your mind, guys. Now you want to make a compilation, so people have 100, 200, 300, blah blah blah. Now the very first thing you have to do is to look for a blog post. People are already talking about how to, make different kind of bread, blah blah blah. Then come here, part of your research phrase, you're going to come here. once you're on this site, you are gonna look for a place. You're going to look for what to copy. So I'm going to copy a very small part because, of course, we're not making these books. I've just shown you how to make $10 every day doing this, creating simple ebooks, of course. Right, for the very first tool is pinball.com, and it's 100% free. All you have to do is to go ahead, right? Go ahead here and, of course, paste. So just press Ctrl V, and then you just click the basic spin, and it's going to rewrite whatever is here. So you're going to get original content rewritten by AI. It's very, very, very crazy. Now, this AI is going to spin the test, and let's just give it a couple of minutes. And of course, this is the new one. All you have to do is to go ahead, edit your article, make sure it looks good, and then you send it over to Amazon KDP. Now, the next site we're going to be using here is called copymatic.ai. Right here, all I had to do was, I'm going to go back and show you guys this. To just to go to the site, copymatic.ai, copymatic.ai, right? Right here, I left the link in the description for you guys. Now, you can go ahead and see it's going to generate a subheading for you, and it's literally going to write the text for you. Now, let's go ahead and just click on the right mark. All right, guys. Now, basically, what this AI has done, the world is going to a very, very crazy place right now, because this is just an AI. This is artificial intelligence literally writing a book for you. Simple, short, and of course, it's blowing my mind right now. Now, the very number 3 one I'm going to show you guys right now is called articlerewriter.net, and basically just paste all the words you've gotten from your blog post or whatever source you got your book from, you got your ideas from. You can literally go down here, make sure you click on the I'm Not a Robot tab, and you just click on rewrite my articles, and it's going to literally rewrite your articles. Now, step 2 of the process has been done. Now, the step 3 of the process is to actually go right here and design a cover for your book. Now, we're going to go back to Amazon Kindle, so I'm going to show you something crazy, right? I want to show you something crazy. So, that same book that we went forward with, I'm going to go ahead and go ahead and show you guys that book. Let me show you guys that book that we actually did go on to see. Currently, what we're looking at right here is, of course, a cover, right? Now, I'm going to show you guys how to edit your ebook cover, because this is what your ebook is going to be looking like on Amazon. So whenever anybody buys it, Amazon can print it and send it to them, right? So basically, we're going to go on this tool called Canva, and it's an AI editor. So all you have to do is to come out here, because there's a lot of templates, and just put book templates, and it's going to generate a book template for you. Now, basically, I'm going to show you guys exactly some of the templates down there, so you guys can see them, right? So there's a lot of book covers that you could literally use to start generating income, start making money on your online space, and all the work is going to be done by AI, right? All you have to do is sit back, kick back, grab a bottle of juice, and you enjoy this online money, right? You start to enjoy this online money, right? So basically, this is a couple of the books right here. Right here, you're going to see a lot of book covers that you can use for your book, right? All you have to do is just edit and change it. And of course, again, you guys should make sure you're following to this point. Make sure you drop a comment right now if you follow to this point. Amazon money. So I know as many people who has followed to this point. And of course, you guys should let me know, like, if you want me to do the challenge again, you guys should go ahead and say, yes, Kennedy, we want you to do the challenge for us. Okay, guys, so basically we have, come to the end of this video. I've showed you guys how to do this. I've showed you guys how you could use AI to start generating over $10 every single day from the online space, using AI to let AI work for you, basically. So if you guys like this video, of course, make sure you leave a big like, subscribe to this channel, because I've been away for a while and I love to come back to the channel to make sure I make a lot of more videos for you guys, okay? So if you guys want to be a part of the adventure, I'm looking to get to 1,000 followers, you guys should, of course, leave a like, subscribe, leave in the comments, Amazon money. Let me know if you want me to do the challenge, and I will make sure I put out the challenge next week to get up to $100 using Kindle. So I would love to hear from you guys, and I want to see more from you guys. And I would love you guys to join the Blaze family and get me to 1,000 subs. And I would love to see you guys on the next video. Peace.